So what I discovered starting in 2006 was people weren't productive with data. People were scared of data. People thought it was impossible. It was very difficult to convert data to information and to insights. So that's what we brought to the table. And up till today, I think that is still super valuable. So the one thing I was most certain of in the moment of setting up dBrown is that there was a deep need of how people become productive, how people know that they want to be productive, but they needed a simple, not complicated pathway to productivity, and also impact, because everybody wants to impact their organizations in a positive way to move their career forward. So this and many other frameworks that we built over the years kind of prove the fact that, yes, we can provide impact without breaking the bank. So since day one important thing for us as a firm is impact. And how do you get impact? One, you need to understand exactly where your client is coming from, come down to their level, break things down to as simple as possible, and then move them to the next level. So instructional design was one of our big skills, and we're able to design our instruction, design our consulting, design our interventions in a way that helps people move step by step until they become super competent themselves. And we're glad that over 100,000 students over the years have been able to take our process and take our instruction and take our methodology and move their career forward. Over the years, we've been very lucky to meet some of the best people in every single field that we work in. One thing about us is excellence. So we tend to say, okay, who is the best in the world in this particular aspect of what we're trying to do? And one thing we pride ourselves in is to go find these people no matter where they are in the world. Whether it's data analytics, whether it's visualization, whether it's presentation, we find where they are in the world and then talk to them and see how they can partner with us for impact. And again, most of the top people in the world also want to impact people with their knowledge, impact people with the way they do stuff. And that's, I think, that alignment of impact straight away kind of aligns, we 100% align. And I think the best people in the world really just want to make super impact. And I think that's where we stand. I think one big thing people overlook is consistency. So consistency is not easy, consistency is hard, but at the end of the day, if you are consistent in providing excellent service, regardless of pay, regardless of what client pays you. I mean, you work with a client in the US, you work for a client in Nigeria, in Ibadan, Lagos, wherever, same quality. We don't compromise the quality, and that is expensive. I mean, at the end of the day, you can rub shoulders with anybody in the world, knowing fully well that, look, we don't compromise on quality, we don't compromise on impact, and yeah, that drives us forward. If I have to define dBrown Consulting in a single sentence, well, I think it's basically growth. I think growth both for our community, various communities that we drive, growth for our own colleagues, our staff, and those stakeholders that basically help us move forward with impact. So I think it's just growth, general growth, and well-being. So again, data has been said to be the new oil, but we've known about data for 20 years. We take data and help you thrive with your data. Now there's a new, what have we been doing for the last 20 years? We've been training people on various skill sets. Now there is the opportunity of training AI on these skill sets that we've built for 20 years. In fact, skills is another thing. I mean, you're going to see that the new currency going forward is going to be tokens and context. Tokens and context. Tokens, what's context? Context in the sense that, okay, what is that special, unique way of doing something? And then you're going to train AI on those skills. And guess what? Those skills are then going to be used by our clients and our students and our everybody around how we work. And those skills are then going to be transformational for most people. They'll be transformational in the sense that they will scale with the skills that we've built that are specific to the needs and issues that we are trying to solve. So dbrown Consulting is 20 years. 20 years is a really long time, and 20 years of consistency working with our clients to ensure that they're able to move from take their data, clean their data, prepare their data, but really move their data from data to information and then to insight. That path of data, information to insight, we've used methodologies that have stood the test of time for 20 years, same methodologies. And over this entire year of our celebration, we're going to be sharing these methodologies with you. We're going to be sharing how we use them, how we created them. And in fact, we have probably 20 different frameworks and methodologies that we'll be sharing with you. So stay tuned throughout the year. You're going to basically hear and learn about our methodologies, or you could probably just send a note and say, thanks a lot for the methodologies, and use them for your services, and we use them for our clients. And we think this is going to be absolutely exceptional for how we celebrate our 20 years of service and impact. Please celebrate with us our 20th year. dbrown Consulting, 20 years of impact, 20 years of service, 20 years of consulting solutions around data, 20 years of training and preparing our clients, preparing our students to be super productive with their workforce and increase and improve their careers. So 20 years of this, we're definitely going to share all the impacts we've had over the last 20 years. You're going to be hearing from our clients, you're going to be hearing from our students, you're going to be hearing from our partners, you're going to be hearing from our staff, our alumni. You're going to be hearing from a lot of people that have helped us impact so many people, and also we've actually impacted those people as well. So in our celebrations, you hear from all of us, and we look forward to also hearing from you on what impact you've had within these 20 years of working with us. Looking forward to wonderful celebrations in this 2026, our 20th year. So I'm David Brown, Managing Partner of dbrown Consulting. I'm also the Managing Partner of dbrown Analytics Solutions in Dubai. I'm also the Learning and Development Network International President. I'm also the Treasurer of the Nigeria British Chamber of Commerce. I'm also the Chairperson of the Data and IT Faculty of ICANN. And in fact, there are many other hats, but the most important one that I love is being able to mentor staff and our communities at dbrown Consulting over the last 20 years. So looking forward to talking to you, looking forward to hearing all the impacts that we've had in your lives. We really would like to hear your stories. We've impacted more than 100,000 people in these 20 years, and we want to celebrate our 20th year with you.